Hello friend, today we shall discuss about topic the comparison of quality assurance and the quality control. Friend, it's very important interesting topic in project management, that what is quality assurance and what is quality control and what are the difference between these two approaches. Friend, quality assurance and quality control are two essential concepts in project management, especially in manufacturing and software development. They both aim to ensure that products or services meet certain standards, but they do so in different ways. First, we will talk about quality assurance. Quality assurance is all about preventing defects by focusing on the process used to make the product or deliver the service. So, it's a proactive approach. It's all about making sure that the methods, techniques, and processes are the best they can be, so error don't happen in the first place. For example, baking cookies. Imagine you are running a cookie bakery. Quality assurance would involve setting up the perfect recipe, training your bakers on the best techniques, and making sure all the equipment like ovens and mixers is working correctly. You might have regular training sessions for your staff and detailed checklists to follow. Quality assurance activities are developing standard recipes and procedures, training a staff on baking techniques, a regular maintenance and calibration of ovens and mixer. Then we can talk about quality control. Quality control, on the other hand, is about detecting defects in the final product. So this is the this is not the proactive approach. Actually, it focuses on identifying and fixing problems in the finished goods or services. For example, baking cookies. Continuing with the cookie bakery example, quality control would involve inspecting the cookie after they are baked. You might check for things like size, color, taste, and texture to ensure they meet your standards. If a batch of cookies is too burnt or doesn't taste right, you remove them from the batch. Quality control activities are inspecting cookies for consistency in size, color, and taste, tasting random samples from each batch, removing defective cookies from the batch. So the key differences are, first one is the focus. Like quality assurance focuses on improving the processes to prevent defects. Quality control focuses on identifying defects in the finished product. Timing. Quality assurance happens before and during the production process. However, the quality control happens after the production process ends. The goal of quality assurance is to ensure that the production process is effective and efficient. Quality control is to ensure that the final product meets the required quality standards. Friend, if we talk about real world examples, first we talk about the software development. In software development, if you talk about quality assurance, in software development, quality assurance involve practices like code review, automated testing, and continuous integration to ensure the software development process is sound and errors are minimized. Okay. However, in quality control, in software development involve testing the final software product for bugs and errors, performing user acceptance testing, and ensuring it meets the specific requirements before release. Here you will notice, a friend, clearly that quality assurance is the proactive approach. Like you are identifying the defects proactively before it happens. However, the quality control is detecting the detecting the defects, like the development is done, things are done, now you are detecting the defects. So quality control is not the proactive approach and quality assurance is the proactive approach. Now we can talk about, let's take another example of manufacturing. In manufacturing, quality assurance might involve designing a workflow that minimizes human error, setting up regular maintenance schedules for machinery, and training workers on best practices. Quality control in manufacturing includes inspecting finished product for defects, conducting stress tests, and performing final quality checks before products are shipped to the customer. So this is the main difference in quality assurance and quality control. So friend, in summary, quality assurance is a proactive and a process focused approach and aiming to prevent defects from occurring. So quality assurance is basically the proactive approach and better approach, while quality control is a reactive approach and product focus and aiming to identify and correct defects in the final product, like all the things are done, product is ready, now you are detecting the defects in the product. So this is basically the approach in the quality control. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video.